Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to see about design concepts. So before going to the design concepts, in the software engineering, we have already covered the requirements gathering. That is the one of the important phase. So in the requirements gathering, we got all the information what the client need. So that means if we need to show what the client needs, then we need to come up with a good design. So this is the most important phase, the design. If there is no proper design, then it automatically the product is a failure. So in software industry, to get a good software product, they will apply a lot of concepts. So let us study what are the important concepts to give a good design. And the main aim of this design engineering is to generate a model. So what is meant by a model? So when you came across the coding part, this model is an important part which holds the complete business logic and complete database accessible classes information. All those things will be in the model itself. That means this is the model. This model is the heart. That means if there is no proper model, that means it does not develop a good business logic. That's why our main aim is to generate a good model. And when coming to the software design process, we consider it as an iterative process. That means each and every time we need to check whether the requirements gathered from the client is properly matching or not in our design section. That's why we need to translate the requirement phase to design phase. And if anyone asks you what is the if anyone asks you how you are developing a product, means the simple and straightforward answer is we are developing our product in a high quality. To develop a product in a high quality, it should have the following attributes. Those are the functionality and usability and reliability, performance and supportability. Without these quality attributes, we will never get a high standard product. These are the important attributes we need to keep in our mind and we need to follow when we are developing our product. And if you observe this diagram, it simply tells the translation. That means you can observe the scenario based elements, flow oriented elements, class based elements, behavior elements. These are all one of the phase, four important phases in the requirements gathering stages. Through this requirements gathering, we are translating those those analysis to the design. So you can observe those scenario based elements which contain some use case diagrams, activity diagrams, swim lane diagrams. Through that, what happens means we can able to develop a good interface design. So here you can see the triangle is showing. The triangle simply overall we can consider it as a design model. In the design model, it has what are there? It has component level design, interface design, architectural design, data class design. So if you come across to the data class design, what is it? This data class design is transformed from the class based elements is transformed from the class based elements. Class based elements will contain class diagrams, analysis packages, CRC models, collaboration diagrams. These all are the basic requirements things which we have gathered, and in the design phase it is considered as a class data or class design. That means It contains all the class realizations and the what are the need data structures which are very much useful to implement the good software. And coming to the architectural design, it simply tells the a good relationship which established between the major structural elements of the software and what are the various architecture styles and design patterns which we have been used in implementing our software. And coming to the interface design, so whatever the product you have been developed, if there is no good interface, then you can't able to communicate with the people. That means with the users who is going to use your product. It should have a good interface. That's why in nowadays a lot of trending languages are there, like Bootstrap. All those things can be give a good interface. And coming to the component level design, we already studied that in the characteristics of the software, whole IT industry is running for the development of the component level design, because if you have developed a component, that's it. It will be reusable with many times. It will save a lot of things. These components will contain all the class-based models, flow models, and behavior models, which serves and helps in the good component design, right? And this is simple information. Consider it as an introduction part. And next session, we'll go and see what are the important concepts which will be helpful in developing the good design for the software product. Thanks for watching.